I think we should hear from Mrs. Reaves now.
Well, I'm in shock. I'm literally shaking. But I could not do my job every day without the amazing teachers and staff at Milan Park. Like, I couldn't. I could not. Because I can only put stuff out there so much, and I can only support so much, but it's you guys who take something and run with it and make it amazing and just blow it out of the water. So I want to say thank you to you guys. So I think all of our teachers deserve a hand because I also want to say thank you to our students because you guys, we have kind of thrown a whole bunch of stuff at you, and with Hour of Code and our initiative on coding, and you guys have just taken to it and been excited about it. And when you walk down the hallway and you say, Mrs. Reaves, the Hour of Code was amazing, it just makes my heart so happy because I know that you had a chance and an opportunity to try something that you've never tried before. And I just appreciate you guys making the effort and going the extra mile to make our school awesome. So I think all of our students also deserve a hand. And I just want to say that I'm extremely honored. I'm extremely honored. Thank you for this recognition. And I also want to say thank you to Mrs. Lupo. She has always been my biggest champion, my biggest believer. 2 years ago when she asked me, hey Jen, do you want this job? I said, I don't know. I don't know if this TIS job is for me. And she was like, Jen, just do it. Like, this is you, this is you. And I said, okay, I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna take a chance. And I took a chance, and I have to thank you, Mrs. Lupo, because literally every time I say, hey, Mrs. Lupo, let's do the Hour of Code, she's like, okay. Hey, Mrs. Lupo, let's hold a huge assembly and bring like all these people for Hour of Code. Okay. Hey, Mrs. Reaves, I want to start, or Mrs. Lupo, I want to start a Girls Who Code Club. Okay. Anything that I throw at her, she's like, yes, Jen, do it, go for it. Yes, always go for it. Mrs. Pack, thank you for always believing in me and always being a champion. I could not do this without each and every one of you, so I just want to say thank you. This means more to me than you'll ever know.